For example, you may be here this morning, and when you hear people say, travel out, what comes to your mind? You just check out of that conversation, because you don't want anybody to ever ask you if you have ever traveled out in your life. And I've met so many people like that, and I say to them, calm down. You are the one affecting yourself, right? All you need right now is an international passport. And if you don't have the money for a full international passport, go and do ECOWAS permit. I don't know how much they do it now, but it used to be cheap in those days. Go and do an ECOWAS permit. Now that allows you to travel within the ECOWAS region, okay? And the closest place you can go to from Lagos is Benin Republic. That means that after the service today, meet Pastor Sam Lawson and say to him, I'm coming to visit you very soon in Cotonou. And I'm sure I will be glad to welcome you. Wouldn't you be glad to welcome them? When they go there, give them couscous to eat. Praise God. So you say, you have never traveled before. Nobody in your family has ever traveled before. Before this year comes to an end, you are going to break that. And the way you are going to, and I'm not praying for you now, it's strategy. The way you are going to break it is that you are going to go to Cotonou. No, you're laughing. You are going to go where? Cotonou. And bam, they are going to stamp your passport. And when they stamp your passport, you are going to come back.